Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. So I found an amazing productivity app that brings your tasks, calendar, emails, notes and daily planning into one place. It also has an AI voice assistant that can complete multiple actions with a single command. The app is called Routine and in this video I will show you how to use it to create a complete study workflow. So let's start. The first feature is one voice multiple actions. So instead of opening a calendar, a task manager, a reminder and a notes app, I can tell Routine everything in one command. So I will open Routine app and then from here I will press and hold this plus icon. It will open voice command and then from here I can ask about anything. For example, I will say remind me to review physiology today at 6 p.m. Schedule my pharmacology exam for tomorrow from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and note in today's journal that I need more practice interpreting ECGs. So here you can see within seconds Routine separates everything into the correct actions. It adds the pharmacology exam to my Google Calendar, creates the physiology task in agenda and saves my ECG reflection notes in the journal. Now I select this save option and then it will add these three items to my agenda. Now here you can see I have this review physiology task, so I can complete it from here. Then I will go to my calendar and I will select 30 days and then here you can see for tomorrow's date I have this pharmacology exam saved from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then if I go to my journal, here I have this notes about interpreting ECGs. So with one voice command, I can manage my tasks, calendar and notes without switching between multiple apps. Everything stays organized in one place, making it much easier to manage my complete study workflow. The next feature is about converting lectures into flashcards with AI agents. So here we have multiple AI agents that can help you with your studies and managing tasks. So for example, I will open this AI agent and now I have a lecture going on and I want to generate a transcript for that lecture. So I will select this mic icon and it will start converting the audio of that lecture into a transcript. So here it will show you the transcript of your lecture. So I already have my transcript. So first of all, I will paste my transcript over here and then I will ask AI to create class notes. So I will ask create class notes from this lecture. And then I will send this prompt. So the agent will start converting this audio lecture into structured notes. You just have to wait for a few seconds. So the AI agent already converted my lecture into class notes. Now I will go to this class notes section and then I will open my notes and here you can see agent convert the transcript into clear and organized class notes with headings, key points and bullet list, making the lecture much easier to review and understand. So now if you want, you can also convert these class notes into flashcards. So you have to select these three dots and here we have this option of run automation. So I will select it and then I will select flashcards and then I will select run. So the AI agent will start converting these notes into flashcards. So here you can see it is showing me this message of flashcards completed. So I will go to flashcards section. So here you can see Routine has generated the flashcards automatically. I can open these flashcards. So Routine is not only useful for organizing your tasks and schedule, you can also use it to record lectures, generate structured notes and create flashcards for your studies. So I customize this agent to generate class notes and flashcards, but you can configure different agents for many other tasks as well. The next feature is about managing your agenda with the AI assistant. So here you can see my calendar is filled with different tasks and activities for the entire month. Now suppose I want to check my schedule for a specific date. So instead of searching through the calendar manually, I can simply ask the AI assistant. So I will select my AI assistant and then I will ask my AI assistant, show me my agenda for July 28. And then I will send this prompt and here you can see all my tasks, assignments and activities planned for that day. I can also make changes using the assistant. For example, I will say reschedule my physiology assignment submission from July 28 to July 29. So routine automatically moves the assignment to the new date. And if I go to my calendar, here you can see here is my new submission date for my assignment. So I can quickly check, manage and reschedule my daily activities simply by talking to the AI assistant. The next thing is routine also has a separate agenda section where you can manually add and manage your tasks. So for example, I want to create a new task. I will select this add task option and here I can give the title for my task. For example, I will select assignment. So the task is created. Now I will open this task and here you can add different labels. You can also set a priority. You can also add subtasks. You can also embed videos and photos. For example, I want to embed a video. So I will select this video option and then from here I will select upload and then I will select choose a file and then I will open my files folder. And here I will select my video. So it will start uploading this video to this task. So here you can see the video is embedded to my task. Now I can also play this video as well. And if you want, you can also add more details related to this task. The next thing is you can also pin your important task to your side panel as well. So here we have this pin option. So I will select it and here you can see the assignment is pinned to my side panel. The next feature is integrations. So you can connect different services to your routine account by opening settings and selecting integrations. Here you can connect different services such as Gmail, Google Calendar, Notion, Slack, WhatsApp and several other apps. This allows routine to bring information from different services into one workspace and helps you manage your tasks, emails, calendar and projects more efficiently. Routine also has a types section which helps you organize information using custom templates. Routine already includes built-in types for agents, automations, calendars, conversations, and members. This feature is useful when you want to organize repeated information in a consistent and structured way. And now let's talk about pricing. So you can use routine for free with tasks, calendars, notes, AI voice commands, and limited integrations. For advanced features such as time blocking, AI agents, meeting notes, automations, and more integrations, you can upgrade to one of its paid monthly plans. So if you would like to try routine, check out the link in the video description. So this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.